Welcome back to the forge, folks. Been working out here today and got quite a bit done. Well, a lot of projects started, very little done, but that's the way it goes sometimes. And now I'm almost out of time. But I found a piece of W2 steel. Little piece left over from a video I did a while back ago. I've been making larger knives. It's been a while since I made a really small one. Today we're going to try to make a really small one. Now to me, forging a small knife is much more difficult than forging a large one. If you're forging a large knife, you've got more material to play with. You've got more damage you can do before the damage becomes irreparable. So today, we've got just this small piece, and we're going to try to make a small blade. Stick around, let's see what happens. All right, we're starting our preform, and since you have to start at one end or the other, I guess I'll start at the pointy end. I'm going to start drawing the tip down, hammering in the tip, and making sure we keep our thickness uniform, as always. Not quite enough. I think I want a little more taper on it than that. There we go. I'm going to make almost the entire length of the blade a taper. There we go. There's going to be our handle to blade transition. And we'll hammer it in. Just a quick, simple blade. Make sure we got our taper the way we want it. Line things up. Preform's not looking too bad. Best to make minor adjustments as you go along instead of trying to do a lot and then go back and fix it. It's much easier to fix a mistake if you make small adjustments. There we go. Just going to hammer in some contour on our handle. Length is pretty good. Not going to make a true bird's head like I did the knife last week. There we go. I'm pretty happy with that. Trying to keep my forging as clean as I can. I'm going to put a little reverse curve in the blade. I want an up curve sweeping type Skinner blade on this. Let's go ahead and knock the scale off with a brush and start by drawing down the heel of the blade. Keep the scale off and start hammering in our bevel. One side then the other. Only work as much as you can work in one heat. You don't have to work the whole blade. If you can work the width of the hammer, you're doing great. There we go. I'm really liking that shape. It's going to be really nice. Let's do a little cleanup. There we go. Pretty straight. Just tickle around, make sure all the hammer marks are out. And I do believe that that'll do. Okay, folks, got it done. Got it normalized, hardened, ready to go in the temper. There we go. Not quite as small a knife as I initially thought it would be. The blade was a little bit longer, and I actually burned a little bit of the tip off in the when I was doing the normalization. Oh well, everybody makes mistakes. Ground back past that part, so it shouldn't be an issue now. Did a little reshaping on the blade. Went back through another normalization cycle. Successful this time. She's hardened up. She's ready to go in the temper oven. There we go. It's going to be a nice little skinner. Almost cover the blade with a finger, and that's what I like to do when I'm skinning an animal. Gives me more blade control so I don't cut something I don't intend to cut. Anyway, if you're still here, thanks very much for watching. Be sure and hit that like button. Be sure and subscribe to the channel. Give us a comment in the comment section. We always love hearing from you. God bless and have a great day.